In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix access to this path is denied problem. First thing you're going to do is go here and search for computer management. And then you want to go here and go to local users and group. Click on users. And here you want to select the administrator. And here you want to uncheck the account is disabled. Click apply and then click OK. Then you're going to click on groups, and here you want to expand this and find administrators. Click on it twice and then click add, advanced, find now, and here you're going to choose your username. So your username, you should be able to see it here. Just find it and click on it. So I'll choose this one for example, and then you want to click OK and apply and then OK. Now you can close this down and go here and go to device manager and go to display adapters. Right click on your display adapter, update the driver, browse my computer, let me pick and choose one of the adapters to update, then click next and this will update your driver. After you do this, you want to go type in CMD, right click, run as administrator, okay, and here you want to type in GPU update. So you want to type in update GP update. So type in GP update and then /force, and then you want to press enter. Now this will update your GP and it might take just a few seconds or minutes. Just let it finish, and then after you basically let it finish, you can just restart your computer and hopefully this should fix your issue. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe.